Hey there guys, it's Gus, and today we're taking out the Redcat Rampage. We had some snow. Even though most of it melted already, I want to take her out and try her out in the snow. I was going to put stock tires on, but for better flotation, but for the first snow, I think these will be just fine. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, I'll put a link up for the playlist, and you can see all the mods I did with the tires, pipe, velocity stack, the outwears, axles, and a couple other odds and ends. Alright, let's get her fired up here. Primer. I'm probably going to have to tune it because I have not run this thing since it's been about 60 degrees out, and we're only about 22 degrees out right now. 27 degrees now. Choke. Uh-oh, I lost me a tire. Oh no! We'll never find that in the snow. Unless I'm lucky. Oh, I'm lucky. Look at that. Oh no, I lost the pin. Oh, and the pin is even in there. Now we lost the front one. Yeah, I think for now I'm going to put the stock tires back on for winter. I got some of these aftermarket hubs for this thing to switch it over to 24 millimeter hexes, and they've been kind of a pain in the butt. So yeah, and I know the pins are Loctited. I made sure those are. I even cut slots in the pin to make sure that the that grub screw has something to grab a hold of. Yeah, I don't know if it doesn't fit quite on the shaft right or what, but all right, well, I think that's all we're gonna do for today. I'm on my lunch break as usual, so we're going to I'm gonna let this thing melt off, and then I'm going to throw the stock tires back on, because I never had issues with those coming off except for the wheel nuts, but I did not after I put Loctite on the wheel nuts. And this ain't the wheel nut either, it's just the pin comes out of the hub. So all right, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.